So last minute, we, instead of keeping this wire on the outside, we pre-cut the wood so that this original wiring for the lights in the van would then be behind the panel instead of having to do some fancy crown molding on the outside or some type of wire hider. So we just finished pre-cutting the tops of all the studs on the driver's side of the van all the way down, because as I mentioned in one of our first videos, we did not want to cut this and have any issues with wiring of the van. So this is exactly how we decided to handle it. So the paneling, look, we have one whole wall up. Isn't that nice? So that is how we handled hiding this prefab wiring for the van.